Hi moms, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use smaller flanges for Wisemom Breast Pumps. The size of the flange included in the Wisemom Breast Pump kit is 26mm. If you have smaller nipple size, you may not be able to pump efficiently and comfortably because having the right size of flanges helping getting more milk and make our pumping journey a little easier. In this video, I'm going to use 17mm flanges in narrow neck and wide neck options. This is the wide neck flange, and this is the narrow neck flange. Also, since Wisemom is considered a closed system pump, we would also need a backflow protector to prevent the milk from going inside the tubing and pump machine. Here is the tubing of the Wisemom breast pump. We can easily remove the white connector from the tubing so we can connect it to the backflow protector. Now this would be the setup for the wide neck flanges. We will insert the backflow protector to the flange and insert the tubing to the backflow protector. You can use the flanges with bottles like Spectra, Avant, and your Wisemom bottle. And here is the setup for the narrow neck type. We will put the valve and membrane. You can use narrow neck bottles like Dr. Brown's, Pigeon, or Medela bottles. There is an extra yellow connector which is needed to connect the flange and the backflow protector. And the same setup with the wide neck flange. Just have to connect the tubing to the backflow protector. If you get the right size of flanges, you will be more comfortable with pumping and you will get higher milk output. That's it. Good luck and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more tips.